Seriously, I can't find anything in this mess. Where's that stubborn tape measure?
Ever feel like you're digging for hours just to find the tool you need? Or worse, projects stay unfinished because your tools are out of reach or buried under clutter? Well, say goodbye to the mess, because French Cleat Solutions is here to save the day. How does it work? It's where tech from the past meets tech from the future. For hundreds of years, woodworkers have trusted French cleats for strong modular storage. But now, enter the era of the 3D printer. Layer by layer, or brick by brick, if you will, these tool holders are crafted with precision and care. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to precision with the French Cleat Precision Measuring Tools Organizer, the ultimate storage solution for professionals and hobbyists who rely on accuracy. Designed to fit 3/4-inch French Cleat systems, this organizer keeps your tape measures, squares, angle finders, calipers, pocket knives, and pencils neatly arranged and always within reach. With modular slots, you can customize the layout to fit your workflow perfectly, making it ideal for woodworkers, metalworkers, engineers, and hobbyists. Its space-saving design frees up valuable workbench space while maximizing vertical storage. Crafted from premium 3D printed PLA material, it's durable and stylish. It has the capacity to hold 1 tape measure, up to 4 squares, 1 angle finder, calipers, a pocket knife, pencils, and markers. Ready to transform your workspace? Don't wait. Grab your 3D printed French Cleat tool holder today and discover even more innovative storage solutions at FrenchCleatSolutions.etsy.com, because every tool deserves a perfect home.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.